This is an example of a redox reaction or a reduction-oxidation reaction. In the beaker, we have aqueous copper sulfate. Copper 2+, when it is dissolved in solution, results in this blue color. We also have a piece of zinc metal. You can see that the metal is shiny and actually a silver color. These two metals will undergo a redox reaction when they are placed in contact with one another. As I place the zinc metal into the solution, I'll pull it out and you can see that there's now a coating on the metal. What is happening is that the copper 2+ that's in solution is being reduced to the solid state, and we can start to see the copper solid forming on the piece of zinc metal. Place it in here one more time, and as I pull it out, you might even be able to notice that the color has a copper hint to it. So the copper is being reduced from Cu2+ to solid copper. The zinc simultaneously is being oxidized into solution. So we begin with solid zinc, and it's being oxidized into solution to form zinc 2+. If we let this sit for a long period of time, we actually will have something that looks like this. You can see that the solution is no longer blue, and that's because all of the copper 2+ has been reduced into the solid state. And when we look at the solid, we can see a copper color associated with the metal on the bottom of the beaker. You'll also notice that our piece of zinc metal has completely disappeared. That's because it's actually been oxidized into solution, and zinc 2+, when it's in solution, is colorless. So even though it appears as if the zinc metal has actually disappeared, it actually has gone into the solution due to the oxidation of it. This is approximately 10 to 15 minutes later. As you can see from the edges of the zinc, they are very jagged, and this is because the zinc again has been dissolving into solution, and you can also see that there's a large amount of copper on the zinc metal. If you look in the bottom of the flask, you can also see that there's a large amount of solid on the bottom, and this again is due to the oxidation of the zinc and the reduction of the copper.